Okay, CCNA important topic, another important topic, WAN, wide area networks. Basically, what we are going to discuss here, introduction, what are the technology, WAN technology, how we select them, and something. So, what is the purpose of the WAN? Describe WAN operation, describe WAN services available, compare various WAN, private WAN technology, compare public WAN technology, select the appropriate WAN. So, what is the basic purpose of the WAN actually? Why choose a WAN? Operate beyond the geographical scope of the LAN. So basically, there are two LANs, as you can see. The a the remote worker, telecommuter, branch offices, and they have the router. They are connecting to the WAN. For example, they are all connecting to the BT network. Okay, this is the BT network, and there is another office like I can see the enterprise office. And they are connecting. They have two routers. One router is here, and one router is here. They exchange the network's addresses with each other through the router, and they have the like BT network. For example, you can think about it is when there are two geographical networks. For example, London to New York, or London to France, or Paris, or Germany, or Berlin, or anything like that. Then you connect to networks. Used to interconnect the enterprise LAN to remote LAN in the branch sites and telecommunication sites owned by the service provider. Organization must pay a fee to private provide services to connect the sites. Why we need a WAN? Is the WAN is necessary in business requirement communication among geographical separation site. Example into regional and branch office must be able to communicate and share the data. Organization must share information with each other. Communication. Mobile worker must access information like people are working from home. Home computers user must send and receive data across large distances. Okay, student research and all those. Evolving network company expect their network to perform optimally and to be able to deliver an ever increasing array of the services. Span engineering example use the curriculum. There is one engineering headquarter, for example, and you can see the geographically multiple branches. Small offices. So this is just an example. Environmental consulting firm been here for 4 years, has grown into including 15 employees. Single LAN to share information printer. So this is just to give you an example. Initially, when they started with office, 15 employee, they've been doing the business, upgraded LAN to provide the web services, save the cost, connection to internet through DSL broadband. Just a very simple internet connection. Okay. Now they have span after 5 years, the company is expanding, contracted to design and implement the full-size waste station facility, one other project in the neighboring municipality and in the other part of the country, hired more staff and leased more office space and several hundred employees. Network now consists of the several subnets, each department, multiple LANs are joined to create a company-wide network. So basically, now we can see from the previous 4 years, they were just a small company. Now they expanded. They have different areas. They have opened new offices actually, and now you see this like a campus network. So you can see the campus network, the business campus, the small office, broadband. These offices are connected to each other through WAN. Another 6 years later, span engineering demand for its services has rockets. To manage these projects, the company has opened small branch offices for project site. Span engineering has now a data center. They must now implement the WAN for its branch offices. They are in the nearby city. The company decided to use the private dedicated lines. Okay. Basically, this is the branch offices, the branch network, central office, remote office, regional offices, branch offices. So as you can see, this is the a branch network. Like you can see, they are connecting to the WAN provider. WAN provider most likely your ISP, like where you buy the internet connection. They also provide you the WAN services as well in order to communicate. So you can see many offices are now connecting to the WAN provider in order to communicate together. Has now businesses for 20 years and close to 1,000 employees in worldwide offices. Cost of its network is related to services being expensive. looking to provide the best services in the lowest cost, encourage the net teleworker and virtual team. Web-based has been virtual. They use sites or site office. Okay, this is, you can see some of the connectivity. Okay, WAN operation. So basically, if you look at the WAN operation,